If I let go of this wheel, will I finally break through the grave? Will I fly off somewhere different, or in skyscraper shadows I stay? Jesus, take this wheel and somehow turn the tide. Lord knows I've been trying. There's a darkness in me lights can't hide.